Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer with pineapple. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: fresh pineapple, sugar, yeast, and clean water. It's crucial to sanitize all your brewing equipment before you begin. This step prevents unwanted bacteria from affecting your beer's flavor and safety. Choosing a perfectly ripe pineapple is key to achieving that delicious, tropical taste in your homemade brew. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Peel and chop about 2 pounds of fresh pineapple into small, manageable pieces. Next, combine these pineapple pieces with 1 cup of sugar and 1 gallon of clean water in your sanitized brewing vessel. Finally, gently stir in 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast. This yeast will begin the fermentation process, transforming the sugars into alcohol and carbonation. After a few days of fermentation, it's time to prepare for bottling. Carefully strain the fermented liquid to remove all the pineapple solids, ensuring a clear beer. Then, transfer your pineapple brew into sanitized bottles, making sure to leave about 1 inch of headspace in each. This space is vital for carbonation. Finally, let your bottled beer condition for 3 to 5 days at room temperature to develop its fizz. Your homemade pineapple beer is almost ready to enjoy. For the best experience, make sure to chill your bottles thoroughly before serving. Pour it into a clean glass to fully appreciate its vibrant color and unique tropical aroma. And speaking of discovering new things, if you love exploring new stories, check out the link in the description for a great e-reader and other fantastic deals. Cheers to your delicious, handcrafted pineapple brew.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.